Okay, let's talk about PPE ads, otherwise known as engagement ads, or previously known as page post engagement ads. These are really an interesting kind of setup of ads here, and you're going to see really all about it. I'll do an over the shoulder as well. And I'm seeing here this top thing should say PPE ads, not website conversion ads. This used to be the best ad objective on Facebook. Okay, we're talking about PPE ads. You get what you ask for. Okay, page post engagement. Well, it's engagement on your page post, right? I mean, literally, Facebook does a great job of giving you exactly what they describe the ad to be. So previously we talked about website conversion. That's all about getting conversions on your website. Okay, over here we're talking about page post engagement, engagement on your posts. Okay, this is going to work with photo or video posts. We're going to be doing $5 a day, 5 days for these ads. In fact, every ad we're going to be running is going to be $5 a day, 5 days. Okay, you're going to use the same 1200 by 1200 photo size, and really an important thing to call attention to. You can use the exact same Facebook fan page post, right? Remember I showed you that an ad, 50% of the ad is simply a status update on your fan page, right? Then you just go and turn that into an ad in the ads manager. You can use that exact same post for PPE, right? And you'll actually see me do that exact thing, okay? You could use 1200 by 1200 photo size, or that 1:1 ratio video, or a full HD video 16 by 9 ratio. Okay, again, just like website conversion, this of course requires a Facebook fan page. Every single Facebook ad requires a Facebook fan page. So let's talk about PPE versus website conversion, because again, as I said here, PPE used to be like that is the stressor here. It used to be the best ad objective. It is certainly not anymore. And again, why? It's because Facebook gives you exactly what you ask for. Website conversion, you're asking for a conversion on your website. Page post engagement, you're asking for likes, shares, and comments on your Facebook post. And let me ask you the $1,000,000 question. Where do you make money? Right? Where do you make your money? Do you make money every time you get a like? Do you get $50 every time you get a share? Do you pay your mortgage every time you get 100 comments? Absolutely not. Sure, those social interactions are valuable, but if we were ranking them, they wouldn't be anywhere close to website conversion. Right? Where do you make your money? On the website. Page post engagement speaks nothing to your website. Right? And I mean, I see this countless times from people getting started and getting misinformed by other courses and other people that are still using PPE. PPE was used in literally 3-4 years ago. Right? PPE was used before the Facebook pixel was even out. Right? I mean, that's how old it is. I mean, you're getting old information. I'm telling you that everyone who's having success is using website conversion for 2+ years now. Right? PPE, I'm going to solely use it as a scaling method. And why is that? Well, when you have something that works, you want to show it to more similar people. Okay? And you'll find that even if you use the exact same targeting, right? This is called scaling by objective. Even if you use the exact same targeting, you're never going to reach 100% of your audience. Facebook deems some people to be easily viewable, or showing your ad easily under a website conversion objective, right? Other people will see the ad under a PPE objective. Other ones will see the ad as a clicks to website objective, right? You're never going to reach 100% of your audience. So again, when you have something that works, when you want to scale, right? Scaling 101 again says when you have something that works, show it to more similar people. Well, PPE is just another way to do that. Okay, so use it as a scaling method for sure, but think about what it says: page post engagement. I see people post in the group all the time. So-and-so course told me to do PPE ads, and I spent $100 and I got 1 click. And I said, okay, and like, well, what did you expect to happen, right? That's what you asked for. You asked for page post engagement. I'm sure you got thousands of likes and comments and shares, and that 1 website click, even if it did convert at 100%, you didn't make your money. Right? You lost money on that ad, and that's totally normal. Facebook is not screwing up. You didn't, it's not like it's not working, right? Facebook's giving you what you asked for, right? That's why PPE does not work. Okay, PPE, run it as a scaling method. It works as a scaling method because you want to get the big thing that you will get on PPE is extra people seeing the ad, right? People will be sharing, commenting, tagging their friends. That's going to give you free organic views. Still, it speaks nothing to website clicks, but it does give you the ability to show it to more people. So that's why it's perfect for scaling. Okay, so let's go over the shoulder, and I'll show you how to build out your first PPE ad. And like I said, it's going to be the exact same post that we built before. So I'm coming over here to my Ads Manager account. Here's step 1, where we select our objective. Okay, and by the way, this was the post that we used. Whoops, this was the post that we used last time right here. right? This could be a website convert. This is a 1200 by 1200 ad image, right? This is a big square, okay? We could use that for website conversion or PPE. So coming over to our ads manager, we're on step 1 of creating a new ad, and we're going to this time click engagement. Okay, you see over here, get more post engagements, page likes, blah, blah, blah. Right over here, again, it says valuable actions on your website. This doesn't say anything about website, so don't freak out when you get no clicks. That's why this is not something that we would test with. We'd only scale with this. Okay, so come over here, engagement. Again, we can name our ad. Scroll down here. You're going to keep it post engagement. We don't need to pay for page likes or event responses. This is an interesting thing, though, if you have a Facebook event. So let's call it test PPE ad 1. Go to the next step. You're not going to see a conversion event up here. Why is that? Well, we don't have any conversion pixel. We're not running a conversion objective. We're running a PPE event. Website conversion, or the conversion pixel, it sits on your website. PPE speaks nothing to your website. It has nothing to do with your website. Therefore, it's not going to ask you for an objective. So this screen looks familiar to you. You're simply going to put in your interest group here, right? I showed you in the previous example the cat magazines, and definitely go ahead and rewatch those interest group, the niche interest group strategy videos if you're not exactly sure what to put here. But this is where you put your interest groups. Okay, only one interest group will go in one ad set. Here you see right here, ad set. Okay, so you're only going to put one interest group in here. Maybe it's cat magazines, maybe it's cat fan pages, maybe it's cat websites, maybe it's cat brands, maybe it's cat celebrities, whatever it is, just one interest group. Okay, again, you're going to make sure that this box is not checked. Okay, scrolling down here, placements. Again, we're turning everything off except the Facebook news feed. So we're going to uncheck all of these boxes over here, leaving just the feeds on. Okay, see it's checked. Come down here, budget, right? Brainless work here. We're starting every ad at $5. I don't care if it's your first ad or your millionth ad. Everything else under the budget you could leave as is. Go to the next step. This is where we're going to go and create our ad, but you see it already defaults us to go and use an existing post. Great. Find our fan page. Find any of our page posts that we want to select. These should look familiar. They're right here. We select it right now. Okay, and we have our post selected, and this is the actual post that we're using for our PPE ad. Okay, and this is something relatively new. If you've been doing PPE ads before, you might not have seen this. This is a nice new feature that they added, and really this is because of the fact that we're just not getting the type of click-through that we want. And they've added a call to action button to kind of help us out. You'll see what happens here. You press this button, you're going to press shop now, put in your URL, the destination URL, the first step of your funnel. We'll just pretend it's Google. Press update post, and you're going to see that this post will refresh, and underneath here you're going to have a nice new cool functionality, a nice little call to action right here. Okay, so you got your name obviously, and you got your shop now call to action, which will go to any URL that you want. Obviously I just put in Google, but you would put in the first step of your funnel, the destination. It will be the same URL that you have up here. Okay, otherwise you come down over here and press the confirm, the green button over here, and your ad would then go live, and that would be your first PPE ad.